I remember the days growing up in Jamaica when your mother boiled the food like the banana, the yam, and the breadfruit with the dumpling. You have the water and the food, we call it pot soup. Sometimes you just drink a little pot soup and just put one bird pepper in the pot soup. Not nice. So. You see, if one man a come from bush, the man would stop and say, Miss G, beg a little of the pot soup there for baby and bust the gas. So your parents would give the man a little pot soup. Yes, back in the days, time did nice. Yes, man, was sweet like boiled banana and rundown with a little piece of saltfish in there. You know what I used to dislike? The susumba with the saltfish. Yeah, man. Those days did nice. And although people couldn't afford food, they make use of what them did have. Growing up, everywhere have a little standpipe and something you call cistern. Looking back, the genie floor polish, your floor and your house have it clean, shine like a dollar piece. With the red work. Not to mention if you're a girl child, you have to clean your house. And don't forget to sweep under the bed, else you get some to sweep under the bed. Because your parents want you to do things properly and want you to be a very tidy person that you can look back and say, yes, my mother taught me how to clean house. Not only that, you see a morning time a night time when you wash the chimney and put the chimney under the bed, otherwise known as the piss pot. You have to wake up and carry it out with you. When on your way out, wash it and turn it down. Not to mention the kerosene stove when they used to cook on, or the coal stove. What's sweet so when you pot cook on coal stove or wood fire? Those were the days you bend down and blow the wood fire until smoke catching up in your eye. Then your eyes start to run water.